Wait. Gurkaran, please read the thought loudly. Yes. So please explain. Yes. Yes, Anvay. Read the thought and then explain, please.
Behavior is the mirror in which everyone shows their image. एक mirror है behavior उसके अंदर अपनी image.
I'm not asking you to translate. ठीक है? Explain.
Behavior ही आपकी image बताता है आप कैसे हो.
हाँ. तो.
बस अच्छा behavior रखो अच्छी image रहेगी.
Yes, Shreya. Yeah, behavior exactly shows how you basically actually are, right? Correct? So do I need to explain it or that's enough? Means by taking names and all. Is it okay? Understood? Chalo. Please clean your mirror so that I can see good image. Okay? You don't have mask. Mask की जगह what he is doing hanky रख रहा है यहाँ पे. Okay, let's start. Let's start with voice. As you have already. I'm very good at keeping books and notebooks of students. Those who close. Only one language at a time. Yes, so voice already discussed. You know the rules. So it's very easy for me today. I'm going to ask you the rules. You have to tell me the rules. That's all. Have we done interrogatives? Voice. In voice. नहीं किए. चलो. We'll start with the simple sentences, then move to interrogatives. Let's start with the basic rules. First rule. Tense remains the same, right? No change in tense. Chalo. No change in tense. What? Change places. Okay, change in places. Change subject and object. Subject. What is the structure? Let's discuss this first. Subject plus. So what we need to do is object plus verb plus subject. Then use that by, introduction of by. Use by, then plus subject. Then one very important rule. Somebody was, yes, always use V3. Now if we are going to use V3, then it means साथ में क्या आएगा? Yes, no need to change the tense. It means helping verbs will show the exact tense. ठीक है? By done तो यहाँ पे structure change हो जाएगा. Introduction of been, being. Then now the structure of passive voice. If we are going to use V3 and by. It's subject, verb, and object. Now I want to change it into passive voice. Then first comes the object, then helping verb, always helping verb, then V3 and been and introduction of been and being according to the tense, right? And then by plus. This is in passive voice. Correct? That's all. And what about can, could, shall, should? If could is written, then yes, you are not supposed to change, as it is already mentioned. No need to change the tense. Okay, introduction of be also. Be is also introduced. Done. These are the basic rules. I hope you know the rules now. Understood? नहीं बस यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है. एक रूल लिखना तुमने. That is structure. Structure of sentence in active voice. While writing in active voice, it's subject plus verb, then it's object, verb and object, and in passive, it's object means the receiver. This is doer. What are verbs? What? Action words. Then is helping verb plus V3 always. Okay? This is permanent. V3. Why? Now this subject is called agent. Subject is called agent. Means the person or whosoever has done the action. Got it? This is the structure that you need to remember. Okay, if tomorrow is written, then are you going to change? Yes. So the words that show this time and place, you are not going to change those. That is done in narration only. Okay. Done. Written. So let's discuss the rules one by one. Simple present tense. Simple present tense. Anyone? What is the rule? What? Yes, simple present tense. Anyone? Subject plus first form of the verb plus object. This is inactive voice, right? Now, to change it into passive. What? Yes, so done. Write down simple present tense. Give heading simple present tense. Rules लिख दो नीचे लिखो. Just give heading rules. Rules. And first rule is for simple present tense. Simple present tense. In active, we have first form of the verb or first form means sometimes we add s or es also when the subject is singular. Otherwise, base form of the verb when the subject is plural plus object. Now to show that still the subject, when we change it into passive voice and we want to show we haven't changed the tense, then in that case, helping verb. It's going to be is, am, are, V3 plus by plus subject. So in case the sentence is he reads books. He reads books. What? Books are read by him. Is it okay? And if it is she reads a novel. She reads, wait. A novel daily. A novel is read by her daily. A novel is read by her daily. One more. हाँ ये लिखो एक सेकेंड, इसको चेंज कर दो, इसे नेगेटिव में लिख देते हैं हम. If there is not in the sentence, she doesn't read a novel daily. Now, if do, does is used, still you have to change it into is, am, are. Is it okay? Don't use do and does. Got it? So, a novel is not read by her daily. Got it? In case you have first form of the verb and this, or you have do or does plus first not and then first form, still this will change into is, am, are plus not plus V3. That's all. Means do, does is, am, are. Inactive, do, does, it will change to is, am, are. Is it okay? ये rule याद रखना, because when we have to discuss interrogatives, then the same rule will, we are going to apply the same rule there also. Is it okay? Clear? Do, does is, am, are. Understood? Sure? Chalo. Then next is, let's discuss past tense also. If the sentence is in simple past, subject plus V2. Here in case of do, does, we are going to write. No, inactive. Did, right? Subject plus V2 plus object. Passive voice. Subject plus was, were. Any example? You write. You tell the example. I'll write. In active also and in passive also. Please don't use these examples. Any example in past? Tell a sentence in simple past tense and then change with object. Ram was. Is it in present tense? Sorry, simple past tense. He won the match. Chalo. He won the match. Now, the match was now in one in negative. One in negative. Wait a second. The match was won by him. Use plural subject. Use plural subject. Yes. Sentence using plural subject in simple past. Negative. They visit, they did not visit the park yesterday. कर दें. Change. Raghav, Sagar, change. Raghav, change. Stand up. हाँ जी, हाँ जी. No. Yes, Raghav, hurry up. What? Hurry up. The park was not visited by them yesterday. The park. नहीं, अभी इसे जो सीक्वेंस होता है हम उसे उसी में रखते हैं मोस्टली. ठीक है, अगर yesterday स्टार्टिंग में था तो फिर स्टार्टिंग में रखते हैं. So the park was not visited by them. Done. For future tense, we'll discuss the rules when we are going to discuss models. Okay. Now continuous tense. Huh? Wait. She is still writing. Huh? Huh? Done? Done? Yes. इतना कुछ? Subject plus is MR plus first form of the verb. Subject plus is MR plus first ing object. Full stop. ठीक है? The sentence is in active voice. Okay? Got it? Now we need to change it into passive voice. So there, change it into passive voice. हाँ, आंखें दर्द कर रही थी, कान ठीक से, कान भी खराब थे. बाई चांस पेपर चेक करते करते धैर्य के नाम पे आके मेरी आंखें और मेरे हाथ दर्द होने शुरू हो जाए, क्या होगा? I wanted to give marks, but suddenly eyes, hands. Mask. 7th. Let me write. This is now give heading present continuous tense. Active sentence. Subject plus is, am, are plus first form of the verb plus ing and then object. Ing. Wait. Object plus is whenever simple thing is passive voice, सीधा दिमाग में लेकर आओ V3. In any condition, you have to use third form of the verb when you are going to change the sentence into passive. पहली बात ये, ठीक है? Second, one thing is missing. Being plus V3 by subject. Sit down. Yes, Raghav, give any example. And in case of not is going to be added here. Not being. Okay? Yes, Raghav, any example of continuous tense? Use present situation. Current situation, right now. Just look around. There are so many students, 39 students, one teacher, so many charts. Wait. Any example, any in continuous tense in this form. Subject is MR, ing, and then object. Do this sentence, does this sentence have that verb object? Object is sure. He is saying the teacher is teaching in the class. In the class, so that the teacher is teaching the class. Then we have the class as object. ठीक है? If you are using in the class, then change हो जाएगा वो. So the teacher is teaching the class. Class की जगह कुछ और बोलो. The teacher is teaching. The teacher is teaching. Raghav. Teaching the boys. Now change. Change. In this form. And others also, please keep one more sentence in your mind using this present situation in negative form. The students are being taught by the teacher. The students are being taught by the teacher. The students are being taught by the teacher. Any other example for negative? Where is Ram? हाँ ये हो सकता है students are not listening, है ना? Yes, Yashika. I am asking you to. Who doesn't play? See, if you are using doesn't na, so that is in simple present. We want ing form. Yes, Paramjeet. The students are writing the answers, not writing the answers. Anvay is not listening. Anvay is disturbing the class. The class is being disturbed by Anvay. Write down this example. Anvay, please change the example. Anvay is disturbing. Please write down. Anvay is disturbing the class. AN. चल नहीं रहा पेन लाओ मेरे. Anvay is disturbing the class. Anvay is disturbing the class. The class is being disturbed by Anvay. Add always also. Anvay. Any other example in negative, please? In negative, yes. Where is Ram? Hardik, I am asking you to use the present situation. Okay? Just look around. There are 39 students in 38 students. Okay. And current situation. What are you doing? See, like speaking in the class, but no object is there. We need. You are. We are. Okay. We are not playing basketball. We are not playing basketball. We are not playing basketball. So, change. Yes, basketball is not being played by us. Basketball is not being played by us. Done? Basketball is not being. Write down the answer yourself. Third form of the verb, na? Done? What about past continuous tense? Yes, in place of is MR, we are going to use was were, that's all. Was, were, here also was, were. That's all. Any example? Now you can give any example. He was, okay, he was washing the car. He was washing the car. Gurkaran, change. The car was being washed by him. The car was being washed by him. I was studying English. I was studying. Change. English is being studied by me. Was okay. The car was being washed by him, and second is English was being studied by me. Any negative sentence means sentence in negative form. She was not okay, she was not learning the answers. Okay, she wasn't learning the answers. The answers were not being learned by her. She was not learning the answers. Write down the examples also, na? She was not learning the answers. The answers were not learned by her. Any? Learned, your wish. What about perfect tenses? Simple, present perfect. Has, have. Now here in this part, we already have third form of the verb. So it means we just need to introduce one thing. That's all. Nothing else. So क्या हो जाएगा? Object plus. Wait. Object plus has, have plus third form already given by plus subject. ठीक है? Prabal has written the answers. Change. The answers are being why me? It is the answers. The answers has been. Sure have been. यहाँ पे has लिखा है. Sure. Why? Yes. ठीक है. The answers have been written by Prabal. The answers have been written by Prabal. Gundeep has not submitted his notebook. Gundeep. Notebook has not been submitted by Gundeep. Notebook has not been submitted by Gundeep. Same way past tense. Gundeep, past tense का क्या होगा? I mean past perfect. Gundeep, try, at least try. What we write instead of has or have in past tense? Had. Okay. here we are going to write had. Now what should be the changes here in this part? In place of has, have, we are going to write had. That's all. Gurkaran, example. No, your wish. उसे सोचने दे जरा गुरकरण को. Mohan had done his work. Okay. Mohan had done his work. What? His work had been done by Mohan. Okay. Main tense is over. Right now we have to just discuss about the models. And time is over. Yes, so happy. Past perfect. And in case of past perfect continuous, present perfect continuous, they don't change. Done? Just remember the rules. Tomorrow we are going to start interrogative sentences. Same rules, just the structure is different. That's all. Otherwise, the rules are same. Huh. Revise voice. Done? Basically, अगर तुम यहाँ पे दो कर दो तो वो ज्यादा मतलब कि acceptable वो कर सकते हैं sentence. The work has been done by, had been done by Mohan. Otherwise, he is ऐसा लग रहा है वो पता नहीं किसका काम किया उसने. Done? Now for models. If the sentence is will buy. Will buy. Will brought. Very good. No. Will be third form of the verb. Yes. Yes. Correct. Okay. Bye.